The red-billed blue magpie is a large, colourful member of the Corvid family, similar in size to a European magpie, but with a much longer tail. The birds are found in Thailand and other parts of Southeast Asia. They seem to favour woodland, both deciduous and evergreen, but it's not unusual to find them in scrub or even parks and gardens. The red-billed blue magpie have a range of calls, and they are quite good mimics of other birds. Here's what they sound like. This recording was made at Nam Nao National Park in Thailand.